During the Kairos crossover night of 2022 to 2023, with the president, founder, and overseer of prophetic ministries of Christ Church Center for All Nations, Prophet Kerrison Chanda, at the Arena of Mercy in Kasama district of northern Zambia, God gave him a number of revelations concerning the new year. Among the prophecies the man of God gave was one to do with torrential rains. Let us listen to the words of prophecy from the prophet of God.
Infuloko naula ma property son. I saw it is going to happen. Uko naula ama properties. Aya kusana kusana. Noko naula nefiako. Nefse loke what one infyanya. That's what I saw. Ni natural disaster.
He announces to the church that God showed him heavy rains that would cause destruction, and he called it a natural disaster. Within the month of January, different places in Zambia recorded above normal rainfall and hailstorms that have left a trail of destruction. Several public and private property, crop fields, and animals have been destroyed, with numerous people left homeless. The damage caused by rains has been making national headlines in recent days.
Hundreds of people in Chief Yongo area in Monze district, southern province, have been left homeless, while many infrastructures such as bridges, roads and school got destroyed. The district has experienced above normal rains.
The rains have caused havoc in southern provinces in the Mwala district. Several houses and maize fields destroyed, leaving some families stranded with no shelter and food.
Surely, when God speaks, the wise listen.